I like working with customers who are super excited about the program and want to try different things, kind of get out of their comfort zone, and use it in ways where they can get really creative with it. That's always fun. I know we always talk about playing off holidays and things like that, but even customers who truly like the value of giving their customers kind of like a thank you. You know, people like to send out messages to their customers to thank them for being a loyal customer. So sometimes like going back to the basics and sending messages like that with people, and when customers do really, outstanding deals, it really makes their customers feel loyal and excited, and in the long run gets them in more often. And I always love working with people like that who always want to try new things with the program instead of the standard 20% off or something like that, and get really creative with it, or also use it to try things that they want people to know about, different salon services that they may have. I have some people who want to boost their facials, and they get creative with that. First 10 callers come in and get a free mini facial or something like that. That's always fun when people are willing to go outside the box and try things that are different.